If you really want to improve your English, give me just
120
seconds. I think I know why you clicked this video. Maybe you've been learning English for months or even years. You understand a lot when you read or watch videos, but when it's your turn to speak, the words just don't come out. Maybe you're afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you feel shy speaking in front of other people. Or maybe you simply don't have anyone to practice with. If any of that sounds like you, you're not alone. Thousands of English learners feel the same way. The good news is that you don't need a speaking partner to start improving. One of the easiest ways to build confidence is by reading English out loud every single day. When you read aloud, your brain, your mouth, and your ears all work together. Over time, speaking starts to feel more natural. That's exactly why we created this channel. Every single day, we upload short English reading practice videos. They're simple, they're beginner-friendly, and they only take about a minute. Just open a short, read along with us, and repeat every day. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Don't worry if you're slow. The goal isn't to be perfect today. The goal is to become a little better than yesterday. 1 minute of practice every day is much more powerful than 1 hour of practice once a month. If you're serious about speaking English confidently, visit our channel and start with today's reading practice. Then come back tomorrow and keep the streak going. I'll be here every day to help you improve your English, 1 minute at a time. See you in the next short.